Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to alternate row colors in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to basically alternate the row colors, first of all, basically what you're gonna have to do, make sure that you are into the home tab here, and then in this styles option here you can see this option where it says conditional formatting. So we have to apply some sort of condition to basically alternate the row colors. Okay, so we will enter a formula here. So you will click on this one, and then here you can see this option where it says new rule. So just click on this one, and then here you can see bunch of different options here, but you will click on this one where it says use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then here you will enter this formula here. Okay, so before doing all this here, sorry, you have to select the rows. Okay, so let's suppose I am selecting till row number 16 here. Okay, and then you will go into this conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then here you will enter this formula. Now here what this will do is that it will basically check if the row number is divisible by 2. If the row number is divided by 2, then it will basically change the color of the rows, and if the row number is not divisible by 2, then it will not change the color of the cell of rows. Okay, so then after adding this formula here, you will click on format, and then you will go into this fill tab here, and then you will select the background color for the row. Okay, so let's suppose I want this blue color here, then you will click on OK, and then again click on OK. So here you can see that all the even number rows are now colored, because we have set the formula that if the row number is divisible by 2, then you have to change the color of the row. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.